Hey guys, it's Istebrak. So as promised, the PortraitStudio sale is now live. For anyone interested in owning a copy, PortraitStudio is a reference generation software. It helps you build references. It builds them for you. And you have control over the light, the model, and the camera angle, which is all the three main angles, all the three main controls you need in order to find the better reference. So have you ever found a reference that is just not exactly the right angle you need? Have you ever had issues with developing a gesture with foreshortening issues in it and perspective? Any heavy perspective? Have you ever had issues understanding what shadows go where and in what setting, and how to apply a more realistic light situation and represent deeper volume in your work? Well, PortraitStudio is perfect for that. It's currently on sale at more than 50% off. And that's it. Please go over to my website, istebrak.com, click on the store icon, and scroll down for the full video describing everything that it can do. It goes in depth. We will add bookmarks as promised. So thank you to everyone who's purchased it. I hope you guys take advantage of the sale, and happy holidays, everyone. Bye.